Hello guys, have you been looking for additional hustle or source of income for you to add to your fashion business or fashion designing? Now, this video is for you. Please make sure you watch the video to the end, and if you are a first time viewer, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get notified whenever I post or make new videos just like this. Now, my name remains Mr. Redefined, and in this video I am going to explain to you in details some of the side hustle businesses you might want to involve yourself in as a fashion designer. Now, this business might not be applicable to everyone, but if you find yourself deemed enough or fit enough to go through these businesses, I will encourage you to make a headway for you to excel or have extra source of income. Now, as a fashion designer, I know sometimes here in Nigeria or any country you are in, now to make money might be difficult for some of us whom are yet struggling. Now, another form of business that will help grow your income or resources is one, selling fabrics. Now, fabrics like shirt fabric, vintage fabric can help you. Now, some of us are already into fabric selling, but they are not still making headway. Now, have you considered of making two-piece, that's a shirt and a short, for sale? Now, this is also a form of business. Now, you can make 2 to 3 of them and post them on your status on Facebook and WhatsApp for sale. Now, don't expect to have a patronage at the first posting or second posting. If you post it consistently, and people might now be aware that you make such stuffs, and they will subsequently patronize you. Now, another form of business as well you might want to go into as a fashion designer is online training. Now, this online training seems to be one of the most lucrative aspects of this our fashion business. But then you must know that before you can conduct or hold a successful online training, you must have given out some free videos for people to believe and know your worth before you can then ask for a paid classes. Now, if you are good in teaching, this business will be one of your most interesting aspects of making money, and it will also boost your income and finances. Now, another aspect as well you might go into is teaching personnel or teaching people or students in your fashion place, be it your shop or your home. However, try to take in students and teach them, because this is also going to add extra income to whatever you earn on a normal day of sewing. Now, another business as well you might look into is agency, house agents, land agency, or real estate. Now, if you seem to live in a developing area, you can as well acquaint yourself with agents and try to get updates from them, those that sell land, that sell houses, that rent houses. Now, you can still make findings of available accommodations available in your locality, and then take the pictures of the outfit of the houses and post on your status on WhatsApp and Facebook, and for you to possibly get potential clients that might want to rent those houses or buy those houses or buy the land. So you can just make sure you connect yourself to the real owners of these facilities, for you not to involve yourself in a scandal transactions, right? Now, another business as well you can engage yourself is selling of sewing accessories like lining, material gum, and all of that. Then this method as well can boost your income when you render services to other tailors that sew on a regular basis. Now, if you have taken your time to go through these business ideas, you and I, we believe or we know that there must be either one or two that you can handle, and I know you are scared to start. Now, remember, doubt is a greater killer of success than failure. This simply means if you doubt yourself to the extent that you are scared of starting, now it will also kill your dreams even faster than someone that started and failed and started again and failed, and possibly he or she will one day make a headway. Thank you for watching. I hope this video must have given you some insight on how to go about your extra income to your business. And trust me, I am doing one of the least but most tasking aspect of this, which is content creation. Now, I once had a training, a class on YouTube, on Facebook, sorry, on WhatsApp, where I was training people on content creation. So if you are interested to learn more of this, you can comment on the comment section of this video and like the video, and I will be able to get to produce or make videos on content creation, which is so vast and which is so interesting. And they say content is king now. Content is really king. It is the oil money in the social media world. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in my subsequent videos. Bye bye.